Hi team, I'm here to present a video which will actually be one of many in a series of videos on how to guide or navigate rather through the Northwest Evaluation Association website. The reason being is that we want to be able to access our students' scores and use these scores to drive our instructions. Now, the MAP testing is actually not a test that measures intelligence. It does, however, measure our students' progress and development and growth, particularly in reading, language, and mathematics. So here, as you can see, the first step is to actually come to the NWEA website, which is up here. And we're going to click on Reports Login. Okay. Once we click on Reports Login, it's going to bring up a screen which asks for our username. I'm going to start with AAC Girls. Password is MAPTest1, and then click on Log On. As soon as you click on Log On, it's going to bring up this lovely screen here, which has this menu on the left-hand side. And as we scroll down, you'll find on the left-hand side that there is, under Online Reports, an option for Logins and Teacher Reports. So I'm going to click on that. And it actually has step-by-step instructions on how to generate a report. You're going to first select the school. So we have Allen City Girls School. Select the term. I'm going to select the most recent term, which was at the end of May, so spring 2014. Goal scores, I'm going to view by RIT ranges. And then I'm going to click on Get Teacher List. Okay. Once you scroll down, you're going to see a list of the teachers on the left-hand side with the login and the position. I'm going to select myself, and as soon as I do that, it's going to bring up this lovely report of all of my students and their RIT scores, not only in reading and language, but mathematics as well. So if you look here at the top of the screen, it says Teacher Report, Mathematics, Spring 2014. And I am going to scroll down to Reading. Okay, so at the top it'll tell you Teacher Report Reading Spring 2014, and here I'm going to look at the very first student, Hind Al-Kathbi, whose RIT score is 168. Okay, now what does that mean, her RIT score is 168? What that means is that her level of development or growth is currently within the range of 161 to 170. And you'll see why this RIT score is so important as we minimize the screen and go to the Descartes, which is found right here under Data Tools. Okay, so remember we looked at the reading, so I'm going to click on Reading Common Core, and then I'm going to choose Literature, and then remember Hind's score is 168. So I'm going to click here on whatever range she falls in, which is 161 to 170. I'm going to click on that, and this lovely screen will come up that shows us the connection between MAPS testing and Common Core standards. And not only that, but the objectives that Hind will need to work on in the classroom to further progress. So here on the left-hand side, we can see skills and concepts to enhance, 73% probability. Okay, so there's a 73% probability that she will be successful in meeting this objective or this standard. Okay, in the middle, we have skills and concepts to develop. Okay, the reason why these are so important is that these are the objectives and the standards that we are going to be using when we develop our units and our lesson plans to really drive our instruction to maximize student success. Okay, so the middle ones here are skills and concepts to develop, which she has a 50% probability. Okay, skills and concepts to introduce are listed on the farthest right-hand column. Okay, so I hope this video helps with identifying how we can generate students' RIT scores and then how we can use that to drive our instruction.